Khalil, the Columbia University graduate and Palestinian organizer, is also eligible to be deported from the United States. An immigration judge ruled on Friday during a contentious hearing at the remote court in the central Louisiana. The decision sides with the Trump administration claim that a short memo written to the Secretary of the State, that is Marco Rubio, which stated that Khalil's current or expected belief statement or associations were counter to the foreign policy interest, and it is sufficient evidence to remove a lawful permanent resident from the United States. The undated memo, the main piece of the evidence submitted by the government, contained no allegation of the criminal conduct. Also, during a tense hearing on Friday afternoon, Khalil's attorney made an array of unsuccessful arguments attempting to both delay a ruling on his eligibility for removal and to terminate proceedings entirely. They argued the broad allegations contained in the Rubio's memo gave them a right to directly cross-examine them. Also, Khalil held prayers beads as the three attorney for the Department of Homeland Security presented arguments for his removal. Judge Jamie Conman ruled that the Rubio's determination was presumptive and sufficient evidence, and that she had no power to rule on the concern over the free speech. There is no indication that Congress contemplated an immigration judge for even the Attorney General overruling the Secretary of State on matters of foreign policy, Conman said. Also, a supporter was in tears, sat on the crowded place benches as the ruling was delivered. Following the ruling, Khalil, who had remained silent throughout the proceeding, requested permission to speak before the court. Addressing the judge directly, he said, "I would like to quote what you said last time, that there's nothing that more important to this court than due process right and fundamental fairness." He continued, "Clearly, what we witnessed today, neither of these principles were present today or in this whole process. Also, this is exactly why the Trump administration has sent me to this court 1,000 miles away from my family."